we are starting off our new journey from Delhi to Mathura, and the train that we're going through is Mahakoshal. Let me show you how it looks, how the train looks. Ye meri seat hai. This is the place where you eat food. This is how the outside looks. The best and cheapest way for you to go from Delhi to Mathura is Mahakoshal Express from Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station, platform number 8 to Mathura junction. This costed me rupees 500 and I have a full berth to sleep on. Mahakoshal Express going from New Delhi, not New Delhi, actually Hazrat Nizamuddin to Mathura junction. It's hardly going to take another 1.5 to 2 hours. I have booked AC tier 2 and one of the most safest, and the AC is more effective. And yeah, this is the train. I think I'm going to get some food in it as well, not sure. But this is our journey, train journey from Hazrat Nizamuddin to Mathura junction. I hope I'm going to continue to show you what happens throughout this journey, who comes to my seat, who checks the ticket, everything. But this is the cheapest. Yeah, भाइयों बहनों, अपनी एक और नई जर्नी की शुरुआत हम जा रहे हैं आज हजरत निजामुद्दीन in New Delhi to Mathura junction. Usually I know people like to travel from their car, but this is the first time I'm trying it using a train, and I think it's going to be the smoothest ride possible. I've already entered the coach and it looks pretty smooth. And ये आपकी ट्रेन की जर्नी है, ट्रेन है ये मेरा A2 coach and I'm going to get into it now.
लोग कितने?
This is the start of the journey. The train have started from Nizamuddin and we're going towards Mathura.
MSCP की सीट पे मतलब
I will continue to show you what I see in between, but this is how it is for now. We're moving from here.
हाँ वो ज़्यादा ठीक है.
This is the first station where the train will stop, and let's see which one is that. The second station, that is Palwal. So भाइयों बहनों, this is the reason I was coming to Mathura. Finally I've arrived at the society where I bought a studio apartment. The reason I've actually bought it is because I'm a devotee and I continue to come here pretty much 2 to 3 times in a month, and hence I thought that it'll be a good idea to buy a flat and probably renovate it in a way wherein we'll start to live in it whenever required. So that's exactly what I did. This is the society. Mine is at top floor. I'm approaching there and I'll show you how it looks. And there is a huge ISKCON right in front of it. That's the reason. And I was able to full society. The name of the society is Krishna Bhumi, and pretty decently, renovated flat. Decent society, and I think I might also, because I work remotely, I might just come here and stay for a week and work from here. I've already got all the internet, bed, television, AC, everything put in place, and yeah, I think it will be a good thing to do from here. तो भाई जो है ना, ये मेरा स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट है जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा था. दिस इज द वन दैट आई बॉट, as I told you that I come here pretty often, so I thought why not to buy a studio apartment. Then I recently got it renovated. This is a small kitchen area. This is washroom. Good mirror. This is again me. This is the washroom. Pretty much small, decent to stay here for a while. This is the bed that I've got it done. This is the breakfast table, then AC. This is where we have curtain. This is where I'm planning to get a television. This is where I'm planning to get a sofa. This is another window. It's a decent view from here. If you want to see, I'll show you. Decent view of entire Mathura. This is the cabinet, which is decent enough. I also got some storage at the top as well. Good enough storage. The best part I'll show you as soon as we also have a small balcony here. This is the balcony, and we can enter the balcony and see the beautiful ISKCON temple. One of the biggest in Asia. Amazing. And then the lush green peaceful vibe that you get from here is mesmerizing. Just see. And I'm not sure whether you're able to see it or not, but now tell me, how does it look? Amazing, right? I mean, if I wake up in the morning and see this, and then I see this kind of makes my day. I'm planning to work from here at least for a week and planning to enjoy this entire. This is the entry gate for my society, and this is how you get in. That's my apartment complex. Amazing. Now you can imagine how happy I am. It's peaceful, no traffic, just peace. And then some sort of vibe that I'm not able to explain right now, but some sort of godly vibe, right? It feels like we're near to God. Obviousli, Krishna ji was born here, so I can understand why I'm getting that vibe. Plus, I have the biggest ISKCON right in front of me. Then Shiv ji's murti. It is amazing. I don't know how to explain this to you, but I'm planning to stay here for some time, and I'm going to continue to share more and more videos. But I'm quite happy with this investment that I've made. It turns out to be a great investment. I'm not really sure how it turned out to be monetarily, but as far as I can tell you, I'm happy. I'm happy with this flat. This is the top floor. It's windy, and the view is mesmerizing to die for. Just look at the view. Look at the view. And I'm just gonna slowly zoom in to show you that this is what I'm gonna wake up to every morning. Beautiful Shivji and Parvati with the grand Trishul. And then when we move here, we have the biggest ISKCON right in front of my society. I mean, there is an internal gate to this mandir from the society itself. You don't have to come from here. There is an internal gate somewhere here. And yeah, these are the expensive villas. Obviously, I cannot afford, so I was able to just, buy a studio apartment. Now let's get into the apartment. There you go. Breakfast table, AC, small kitchen. The AC is chilling. I also was planning to get a bigger Radha Krishna Murti, but I guess this is what I was able to manage. I was also able to get some utensils that I'm gonna try and use. I have an induction here, pan, and some of the other stuff that I'm going to use to cook for the days that I'm going to be here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice cabinet, nice look. I think I'm going to wake up to the beautiful view, temple, Shiv. I cannot ask, as a devotee, I cannot ask for more than this. So I'm happy. I am, yeah, more than happy actually. Look at the view. This is what you guys were able to see from my apartment, but now you can see up close the statues. This is Char Dham, by the way, as you can read it. That's ये पार्वती है भैया? हाँ? दुर्गा जी? So this is what you were able to see. I thought it was Shiv, but then there is Shiv as well, if you can see. This is what I was able to see. And then this is Sherawali Ma. It's good, pretty good place to be at. More time up and close. This is exactly what I was able to see from my apartment. And I wanted to show you guys up and close how beautiful it looks. Let me show it to you again. There you go. Look at this massive statue. That's why we were able to see it from my apartment. My apartment is almost 2 kilometers away from here. And there is Mela here as well. Great. So another view of Lord Shiva up and close. Again, this is what again we were seeing it from my apartment when I was zooming in. Just look at it, how mesmerizing and beautiful it is. Peacefully sitting, and this is how exactly I was feeling from my apartment. That's the reason, but unfortunately there's some work that have come up, because of which I'm going back to railway station and going back to Delhi, but I'll be coming back soon. Just see how beautiful and mesmerizing is this. Amazing, beautiful. तो भाई बहनों, ये है नज़ारा आपका मथुरा रेलवे स्टेशन का. काफी अनऑर्थोडॉक्स और how do I say this? Not good with technology, not equipped with technology, but it's good. Lovely street.
On platform number 3.
मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 3. देखते हैं अगर कोई बता पाए. भैया प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 3 का है सीधे. चलो भैया ने बताया सीधे ही जाना है, हम सीधे जा रहे हैं. भीड़ देख के समझ में आ ही होगा, यहीं आ रही है ट्रेन लग रहा है. This is where it is. Let's go. Okay, bhainon, another view of Mathura railway station where our flight is going to come. This is how it looks. See, filled with people. बेहतरीन नज़ारा देखिए भाई. यहाँ से हमारी ट्रेन आने वाली है, which I will board pretty soon. This is how a lower berth looks like. Shady, but it's the view from the train. So finally, right away, I am back to Delhi. I took a metro station and I took a metro from New Delhi to Malda Nagar, and I'm now back home. This is the end. In case if I go there again, I'll post it again. Thank you.
लोग कितने